Welcome to the Mountain Path Painting Workshop, where we're going to learn to balance vibrant colour with beautiful greys. To do that, we're travelling to the beautiful Crown Range in the South Island of New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you
How painting with vibrant colour doesn't have to look like an explosion in a paint factory. I'm going to take you through this simple little painting step by step, so by the end of it you'll have a nice little painting and a much better understanding of how to balance vibrant colours with more subtle grey colour.
learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques.
This is a great way to improve your painting quickly.
You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world.
So happy painting, let's get started.